You may have existing items in QuickBooks that you want to track in Point of Sale. You can easily import these items to Point of Sale at any time, making them available to list on Point of Sale documents. Importing your QuickBooks items is optional. After importing, inventory items are not routinely exchanged between the two programs. The imported items should be tracked only in the Point of Sale after import. After the two programs are integrated, you will be prompted to import your QuickBooks items each time you open your item list in Point of Sale until you elect to import or indicate that you do not want to import. Choose Ask Me Again Later if you plan to import but are not ready to do at this time. To manually initiate an import of your QuickBooks items, let's go to your QuickBooks Financial software. Make sure that your software is running in single user mode. And it says here switch to multi-user mode, so that does mean that we're in single user mode. Then go back to your QuickBooks Point of Sale software. Go to your Financial menu. Go to the Advanced Options page. And then choose Import Items Now. Next, you can choose the item's descriptive fields. So here is the item name. This is what's printed on the receipts. So you can choose from your QuickBooks Financial software what you want to show within the item name. The item description, you can record additional information as a sale is made. So if you don't want anything in this field, you can choose none. Or if you want to enter the sales description again, you can do that, that's fine. The alternate lookup, this information can be used to quickly look up an inventory item. This field is automatically populated with information from the name number field in QuickBooks Financial software and can't be changed. Click Next. By default, all inventory items are imported from your financial software. However, if you want to, you can choose only specific items for import. If you only want to choose certain items for import, click Yes, and then choose Import Now, and you can choose which items you want to import. You can select all, you can unselect all, you can filter. Once you choose what you want to import, you can choose OK. I'm going to cancel this right now because I don't want to mess up my QuickBooks Point of Sale. The importing of items from QuickBooks can be done multiple times. This can be helpful if you import only selected items the first time and later want to import the others, or you want to import from multiple QuickBooks company files and you possibly could have added new items to QuickBooks after the initial import. Be careful not to import the same items a second time, or duplicate item records will be created in Point of Sale. Once imported, the imported item should no longer be tracked in QuickBooks. It is strongly recommended that all purchasing, receiving, and selling of these items be done in the Point of Sale only. The on-hand quantity of imported items is set to 0 in QuickBooks, and a compensating general journal transaction is created to debit the inventory asset account. On the Point of Sale side, inventory adjustment memos are created to record the addition of the items to inventory. The memos are sent to QuickBooks balancing against the general journal transaction so that no net change in inventory value occurs. Imported items should be reviewed and edited to take advantage of the inventory tracking and control features in Point of Sale. If you have existing items and customers and vendors in an application other than QuickBooks Financial Software, you may be able to import this data using the Data Import Wizard. And that concludes our video on how to import QuickBooks items.